Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to the Naamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make meat rolls. This is the same process as the fish rolls, but this time around, I'm making the meat recipe, and it turned out so delicious. You have a crunchy skin, the filling inside, guys. You will love it. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let's get started. So these are my sliced meat. If you have the chunks, just divide it into smaller pieces. You want it to cook faster, but you can use minced meat as well. So to that, I added in ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, vegetable seasoning, salt. I added in water and then cover it and brought it to a boil. So once it is ready, let it sit in the water, like it will get more tender for about 30 minutes before moving on to the next step. So now let's begin with the dough. To my bowl, I added in flour, powdered milk, grated nutmeg, sugar, baking powder, and salt. So I'll set these ingredients together to well combine and create a well in the middle. I then went ahead and added in egg and melted butter. Lastly, I added in water and then mixed until well combined until it has formed a dough. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So knead it until it's formed a dough and then transfer it on your work surface and then knead it for about 5 minutes. Don't stress the dough. 3 to 5 minutes should be enough. And the dough shouldn't be sticky. It shouldn't be sticky at all, and then it shouldn't be too hard either. So it should be in between. That's what you're looking for. It should be something like this. Put it in the same bowl, cover it with a clean film, and let it sit until ready to be used. 30 minutes should be fine. After the meat has rested for some minutes, go ahead and shred it. So I use my fork. You can use your hands to tear it into smaller pieces or use the fork to shred it. That is what you're looking for. It should be something like this. So let's begin with the filling. In my saucepan, I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by chopped onion and crushed garlic. I'll let this steam for about 2 minutes before adding in the shredded meat. I let this cook for about 2 minutes again, and then I added in the vegetables. You know the meat is already tender, so don't overstress yourself. At the end, you're going to fry it too, so don't stress yourself to cook it for that long. I added in the vegetables, dried parsley, chili powder, which is totally optional, and then vegetable seasoning. So I'll stir this to well combine. Let it cook for 2 minutes again, and your filling is ready, guys. Just look at it. Keep that aside and let it cool down before you use it. So back to the dough, I transferred it on my work surface and then divided it into smaller pieces. You know, this was around 25 to 30 grams each. When done, roll it in a ball shape on your palm or on your work surface and then cover it. Bring one of the dough, cover the rest with a clean film. You don't want the surface to get dry, so make sure you cover it with a clean film. Bring one, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface, and then transfer the dough on it, and then sprinkle a little bit of flour on the dough as well. Roll it thin as demonstrated in the video, and scoop about 1 tablespoon of the filling in it. Now before rolling it, make sure you brush the edge and then the tip of the dough as well. Fold the end part on it, fold it on the filling and then press it. You want to make sure you've sealed it well. Make sure, if not, it will open whilst frying and you wouldn't get a good presentation. So please make sure you fold it well. It should be something like this when done, and you can go ahead, preheat your oil and fry this bad boys, guys. All you have to do is to stay close to it and keep turning it, keep flipping it. You do not want it to get burned at one side or to get cooked at one side. So stay close to it, keep turning it, and guys, this was delicious. You have a crunchy skin, guys, and a soft, and the filling inside full of meat. It turned out delicious. Please try it. I think when you try it, you're going to love this instead of the fish instead of the fish roll, because it turned out delicious. It's amazing, guys. It was very easy making this one as well. Look at this, guys. Stay close to it, and then when you get to this point, if you want, you can take it out from the fire, or you can go a little bit further. But if you want it very, very super crispy, just let it brown more than this color, and trust me, you're going to love it, guys. Look at this was delicious. My son was fighting for this. Amazing. He was fighting with me. Mommy, I want some. Mommy, I want more. Mommy, I want more. Trust me, it was delicious, guys. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. And look at this, guys. Just look at it. Look at the filling inside, guys. It was delicious. Wow, I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment. See you till then. Bye bye.